Yeah. Memory's just waiting patiently. Hi, Memory.
Here is Alan, a 3-year-old Kerry Blue Terrier. Earlier, Dr. Pender told us some of the characteristics that would make Alan a picture of perfection. You're looking for a nice, flat skull,
No, too much distraction out there.
Small dark eye, a nicely arched and graceful neck leading into back shoulders.
I don't know. She found that too.
Noted for that soft, silky blue gray
You might want to shut that bathroom door. Why didn't you just turn it down?
I'm trying to shut it off. I can't see the buttons.
Oh my God.
It's the noise. When you have the camera going.
Mom's bed?
My bed? That's bed. My bed looks like, what is this on the bed? My socks?
Yeah.
Where did they come from?
From Memory.
Thank you, Memory. My bed, homely, untouched, nice, neat, bed, looks like the dog slept over there, but they didn't.
And it's so nice out today compared to yesterday. And the birds are happy.
Yeah. Yeah, but they have those tornadoes.
I mean, you can actually see the sky is blue.
Yeah.
All the buildings around you can actually see now. They're all different colors. Dim yellow. And ours is like green. Mom's drying her coat. It's a little windy out here. And we have a window and a patio. The patio is like and a door, and most people don't have their rooms way smaller. She's slow.
I know. Lazarus gobbled it up like he was out of a litter of 8, and he was faster than literally a 100. He's like a little baby girl.